everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. Today's video I have a little bit of a try on haul. I am going to be doing a voiceover in this video, but I did want to just come on and say hello. Let me just run through my thought process. I never have a problem going into Banana because I know I'll always find stuff that are appropriate and comfortable for me. What I love about Express, honestly, are their blazers, their pants, their jeans, that type of stuff. Their tops are a little, well, I think they're beautiful and I do purchase some of their tops, but some of them just, the fit is just not right and the crop look doesn't work for me, or I choose for it not to work for me. And so I just go in there really for the blazers, which you'll see a couple of blazers in this video from them. And then there's Amazon. I think I have 1 or 2 pairs of pants in there. You know, Amazon is hit or miss. And, you know, sometimes I strike gold and other times not so much. I picked up some pants and you'll see them in the clips. I really hope you enjoy, and let's get started. Okay, so here I picked up this really pretty yellow blouse with this beautiful pleating around the shoulder area. I just thought it added a nice little touch. It's a beautiful top and just very simple. The blazer is from Express. It's a nice linen blend. Can't go wrong with the color and just the structure of the blazer. I tend to like more fitted blazers as opposed to that boyfriend look. You know, there's a time and place for it all, right? But nonetheless, I do like the blazer, and I just thought the color combo looked really nice together, and that would be how I would wear it in the office. The next outfit here is really just a dress from Banana. Very simple but comfortable. The V is quite flattering, honestly. Not too bad in terms of showing much, but it is lower. I do like the way you have that angle shape underneath your bust. I think that gives it a little bit more, it gives it some dimension, and I think it is flattering. I would wear this into the office, but of course, if I'm walking around, I would certainly have my shoulders covered. That's just me, old school, I don't know, but that's just the way I would wear it around the office. And then I just have it paired with some shoes from Sam Edelman, just a classic pump with the dress. I just love that look. Can't get away from it. Again, old school maybe, but I still love that. The next outfit are these pants from Banana as well. You can see in the clip, they are very high-waisted. And the top that I have, please don't mind the bra showing. I would make a different bra choice, but the top is nice. It is a little bit big, which is why my bra is showing. So I'm not loving the top. I love the combo. I love the way it looks, but honestly, the top is going to go back. The pants, while they really are high-waisted, and that's not the look for someone with a short torso, but I'm still okay with being able to get away with that, especially if I have a blazer or a cardigan over it with a different top. But I just wanted to show you the look because, listen, not everything works. When I'm shopping, I see different styles and I gravitate towards it, but not all the time is it going to work when you actually get it home, because I don't try anything on in store. So I make double work for myself. Is anybody else like that? Leave a comment down below. Do you try on in store, or do you bring everything home like I do and then have to go and return? Because these were actually purchased in store. And again, I do have them styled with the same shoes I had on in the previous outfit. The pants, I will say, are not lightweight. They're a heavier material. So clearly I will be wearing these into the fall and possibly the winter. You will be seeing those, especially if you follow me on Instagram. I'll be showcasing them a little bit more over there as well as the seasons change. Okay, so this outfit is actually all from Amazon. The pants are nice. I really was looking for just a plain white pair of pants, and I really do like them. They fit okay. Like, I could get away with it, especially if I had a blazer over it, it would be okay. But it's not my favorite pair of pants, to be honest with you. The top, however, and again, because these pants are higher waisted, this the angle that the clip is capturing is not flattering at all, and I recognize that. But the tops, I really like the top, and of course I'm sorry it's not showing up properly here. This is a brand, it's Pumi, and by the way, I'll have everything I can linked below. But these tops are supposedly a dupe for a more expensive brand. And I haven't tried the expensive brand, but these tops I really like. I have the bodysuits, and I also have these short and long sleeve tops, and I really do like them. Unfortunately, this clip isn't doing it justice, but I love the color, not because of Barbie. I've always loved pink. When I saw they had it in pink, I absolutely had to grab it. And I have them in like a more nude color and the black, like I mentioned. So really I'm a fan. They're very comfortable. They're true to size. I just really love the tops, and they're stretchy, but yet they do a nice job of controlling what you don't want hanging out. Naturally, it's not really showcasing that way in these clips, but I did just wanted to point out that I really do love the top. And the pants, not so much. The next outfit is a top from Banana. I love the style of the top. I love the little split V in the front. I love the shoulders. Even though it's sleeveless, I think it gives just a nice structured classic silhouette. I really love that. I love the band on the side. I did pick it up in the cream color, but unfortunately I picked that up in the wrong size, so I want to see if they still have it. I'm hopeful that they do. I do really like this top, and I've already worn it to work and got a lot of compliments on it. And as far as the pants are from Old Navy, actually, which I love these pants. I love the way they fit me. They're just perfect. It's like the ideal pants for me. They are high waist because, you can't go into a store without having anything not high waisted. They're not at an uncomfortable height over my stomach area, so I can get away with them. And I really love the split detail at the bottom. I thought the split at the bottom of the pants and the split at the top complemented one another. And then I just added a pop of color, and that color was orange, as you can see. So then this outfit, I kept the same pants on. I did change the shoes. These sandals I did pick up in Walmart. I will link everything, and I'm sure they are still available. The vest, which is more of like a boyfriend style vest, double vested is hard for me, but nonetheless, I wanted to try it. If you follow me on Instagram, I did showcase this. I paired it with some faux leather shorts, which was a nice look, and clearly I buttoned it. I wanted to show you how it looks when it's buttoned, but I would probably just leave it unbuttoned and just have maybe like a bralette underneath, or even just maybe like a camisole or something. Vests are trending, so that was one of the inspirations of why I wanted to pick it up. And then I can just change up the look with a long sleeve shirt underneath going into fall. And then this outfit here with the blue pants. These blue pants are actually from Kohl's. I just happen to be in there. So I love the color. I do have a blue blazer and obviously blue and white during the summer, that type of thing. So I wanted to try them. I don't love it with the belts. I hate those. I really dislike those belts with a loop. So I probably would have changed it up, but I did want to show this to you. They are a paper bag style pant, and of course with that is just so high-waisted, and you can even see, there's no definition. You can't even see where my waist is because it's just chest and pants in your face. So not a fan of it, but I still wanted to just show you, again, what works and what doesn't work and why. I do like the look, but it's just not on me. So if you have more of a longer torso and you need to get dressed for work, then you may want to check them out in Kohl's. All right, everyone. So that does it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. I will link everything that I can. As you may or may not know, Express Factory, I cannot link anything from factory, but if for some reason if it's on the Express website, I'll certainly link. Everything else will be linked in the description box. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you do choose to use my links to purchase, I truly appreciate it. It helps support my channel, and I just want to let you know that I truly appreciate it. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed, and I will see you all in my next video.